Effects of technology on major social institutions. What are the effects of technology on family life? Can you list impressions of technology on economic institutions? What are the major influences of technology on social life? Can you explain effects of technology on state or government? What are the impact of technology on religious life? Going to learn. Effects on family life. Technology leads to disintegration of joint family system into nuclear families. Second, employment of women. Third, technology leads to liberation of women. Fourth, love marriages, intercaste marriages, late marriages in modern families. Invention of birth control devices has reduced the size of family. Sixth one, increase the number of divorce. Effects on economic institutions. First, economy has acquired a global character, example, price of goods and services. Second, it leads to concentration of industries. Third, birth of capitalism. Fourth, higher standard of living. Effects on social life. Decline of community life. Second, grow the sense of individualism. Third, problem of housing and slum. Fourth, recreation has been commercialized. Fifth, change the basis of social stratification from birth to wealth. Sixth, gap of caste system has been reduced. Grow physical conflict and diseases. It leads to consumerism. Effects on state. The modern government has been affected by technology. First, the scope of state activities has been enlarged due to computerization. Second, influence of pressure groups. The pressure groups influence the government to make decisions. Third one, shift of functions from local government to central government. Fourth one, barrier of nationalism. Fifth one, democracy. The principles of democracy such as for the people, by the people and of the people has been ensured. Sixth one, made the state secular or secularism. Seventh one, increased the size and power of bureaucracy. Effects on religious life. It has negative effects as well as positive effects. First, negative effects. Opposition to technological inventions, opposition to social inventions. Social invention brings social change. Positive effects. It's more accessible, improving interpersonal communication, offer privacy and honesty, religion and spiritualities using new technology. Religious moral implication in the development of new technologies such as the internet and mobile phones. Thank you. Have a nice day.